Hello. In this lesson, we will talk about the functions in Excel for working with the text or string values. I will show you how to work with these 7 functions for working with the text. Let's start from the right and left functions. Let's go to our dataset. As you remember, we have splitted our customer ID column during our previous lessons into 2 columns by using the text to columns tool in Excel. Now let's do the same using right and left text functions. Insert 2 new columns here. Now let's extract these 2 letters from this customer ID value using the left function here. Let's write is equal to left function, the text from where we want to extract the values, and number of characters. In this case, we want the first 2 characters. Write 2. Enter. Look here, our function extract the first 2 characters from this text. Expand the value. Now we have the same column as here. We can write here by left function. Now by the right function, let's extract the 5 numbers from customer ID. Let's write right. It means we want to extract the last 5 characters or the 5 characters calculating from the right side. Now here select the text, and here we have to fill 5. Close the bracket and expand the values. Great. Here we have the same values as here. Let's write by right function. We got the same results as here using left and right text functions instead of text to columns tool. Now let's merge these texts in these 2 cells using this concatenate function. Insert new column. Right. Concatenate. And here we have to fill all cells, information in which we want to merge in one cell. In this case, information from this text, from this cell, and information from this cell. Close the bracket. Look, we got the same value as here. Expand the formula. Let's copy the name of function here. Now let's explore the next function, len. Len function calculate the number of characters in a cell. For example, let's calculate for the states. Insert a new column. Let's write len. We have to select only the text, and we see that in this cell text includes 10 characters. Expand the formula, and we see that Arizona includes 7 letters or characters, Washington 10, Oregon 6, California 10, and so on. Let's write here len function. By the len function, we calculate the number of characters in the text. Now, for the same column, for the states, let's use the next 3 text functions: upper, lower, and proper. Insert 3 new columns. Let's start from the upper. Let's write upper. It converts a text string to all uppercase letters. For example, let's select the needed cell, enter, and you see that all letters now as uppercases. Expand the formula. Now let's use the lower function for these cells, and here all the letters now are lower cases. And finally, let's use the proper function. By the proper function, we get the text in which the first letter in uppercase and the other letters in lowercase. It is the proper version of the text. Let's also expand this formula. Right here, upper, lower, and proper. Great! In this lesson, you learned 7 new functions for working with text in Excel. It will help you during your further job. See you on the next lesson. Thank you for watching.